সে থেকে লাফালাফি করে আবার সে 4টে ক্লাস নেওয়া। Yes, a very good afternoon to all the children of class 12 arts. Now, as I have told you that before I will complete the chapter giving you some questions from the chapter which I was doing, that is the 4th chapter. So, first I will continue with the questions and then if I have time I will start with another chapter. Are you there, all of you? Yes. Now, the next question, please. Right? When did the people's, P capital, people's apostrophe S, Republic of China, R capital, C capital, come, C-O-M-E, come into inception, I-N-C-E-P-T-I-O-N, inception. Inception means existence. Question mark, 1 marks, answer will be 1949. Next one, which model of economy did China choose, C-H-O-O-S-E or C-H-O-S-E-O you can write, chose, you can write chose also, chose to follow after its inception as a republic. This will be for 5 marks, 4 or 5, both can be possible. Clear? Next one, who proposed the, now within single inverted commas you will write these words and the first alphabet in, okay, no caps but only within single inverted commas, 4 modernizations, F-O-U-R, 4 modernizations and when, question mark, you will continue with that question only. What were the 4 areas in which the policy of 4 modernizations is to be followed? You see the division of marks will be like this, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 1 plus 2. Answer will be Zhao, Premier Zhao Enlai. Year will be 1972. And the 4 areas will be agriculture, industry, science and technology. It's given very clearly in your book. Next one. Who announced the policy of within single inverted commas again these 2 words, open door, question mark. Together with that, what was mentioned in this policy? Question mark. Division of marks will be like this: 1 plus 1 plus 2, same like before. The answer will be 1978 by the Chinese leader Deng Xiaoping, and this policy actually proposed for generating higher productivity by investments of capital and technology from abroad. You will get the answer in the same paragraph. Next one. When did China took over the policy of privatization of agriculture and industry, division of marks will be 1 plus 1. For privatization of agriculture it will be 1982, and for privatization of industry it will be 1998. Next one. What do you mean by SEZ, S-E-Z, SEZ, or the full form of SEZ? I am giving you the question. Ma'am, please repeat the question once. Which question you are asking for? Rajlakshmi, I didn't follow. So many questions I am giving. I am giving you so many questions. So which question you wanted? I have no, this question I am giving. This question I am giving. Previous one was this one. When did China followed the policy of privatization of agriculture and industry, and the division of marks will be 1 plus 1. And as I have told you, for privatization of agriculture it will be 1982, and privatization of industry will be 1998. Okay, fine. The next question, how did I start with the next question? what do you mean by, yes, what do you mean by says or special economic zones, special economic zones, special economic zones. This is the full form of says. It will be for 2 marks. You know, as I have told you, special economic zones were a policy which China had followed, where in this particular areas, zone means area, it will be in this area where China will not impose any kind of trade restrictions. No trade restrictions will be there, so that the foreign investors can come and invest here in terms of money, technology or whatever. Clear? That was known as special economic zones or CEZ. Next one. How did the new economic policies benefit China? Question mark, it will be for 4 marks. You can see that there was a marvelous increase in the economy of China, both agriculture and industry. And as you know that at present, because of those policies, China is one of the fastest developing economies in the world. And as I've told you, for picture writing, the picture on page number 59, I'm repeating once again. Yesterday I have just given a little information about it. You see the wall of China with, you see the face of a dragon, and one person is there, that is the Communist Party and its leaders like Premier Zhou Enlai, Xi Jinping, the new economic policies by which it followed, and as a result you can see that, you can see the wall of China, and the lower part is actually the world, that is the globe, where you can understand that China is taking over the globe. And we all know that China is one of the fastest growing economies, and especially in the electronic business, you know, China has taken over the whole world. Next one, discuss India-China relations. Discuss India-China relations. This will be for 6 marks. And children, when you are writing this answer, relations means not only always positive relations or negative relations, both. It can be a relation, amicable relations, that means friendly relations. As I have told you, that China usually started on a friendly note with India, and the famous slogan was there, Hindi Chini Bhai Bhai, isn't it? It was from the year 1962, and before that, when Dalai Lama's case I have talked to you, Aksai Chin region, that is Himachal Pradesh and Ladakh area, and those areas of the northeast frontier, that is Nepha, those areas where Chinese army had gone into, even now you are having these issues. Even now you are having these issues where you can see that the Chinese paramilitary forces, what they have done, you know, they have tried to enter and occupy parts of Indian territory, especially this northeast frontier and completely over the northern part of India. Although, you know, as I have told you before, although, you know, excuse me please, although, you know, British, this problem was resolved during the time of the British, that the boundaries of both the states were drawn, but what did the Chinese do? They said that after the British we are no longer going to obey those rules, and after that one of the most dreaded incidents had taken place, which was the Chinese invasion of India in the year 1962. It can come as a question like this: discuss India-China relations. When you are writing about India-China relations, both the relations you have to talk about, and when you, and it can come like it can come in this way also, that what are the areas. This can be another question form also. You can get questions of this form also, that what are the areas over which India and China have conflictual relations. Conflictual relations, those 3 points must be there, dear. Dalai Lama's one, that Tibet, Aksai Chin region, and Nepal, that is parts of Arunachal Pradesh. Without, this will be for 4 marks. Right? When, next one, when did Rajiv Gandhi visit China for improving India-China relations? For improving India-China relations. Question mark, it will be for 1 marks, and the answer will be 1988. Next one, when was BRICS founded? Now here you listen. For your safety, I will tell you that although it will be when did BRICS, B-R-I-C-S, BRICS, when was BRICS founded, means established. Now, for your benefit, I will tell you one thing, dear, all of you please pay attention, that here what you will do is that, you know, as I have told you yesterday, that BRICS came to existence in the year 2006, and that time it was known as BRIC, B-R-I-C, because the members were Brazil, Russia, India and China, and in the year 2009 it became BRICS. Why? Because South Africa has made an entry into it. Clear? Both the points you will have to write. Next one. Dekho, who are the members of BRICS? Who are the members of BRICS? You can get it from the name itself. Yesterday, several times I have repeated: Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. 2 marks. Right. Next one. When and where was the was the 11th conference of BRICS held, H-E-L-D, held, question mark, you continue with that question only. Who was the head of this conference? And the division of marks will be like this: 1 plus 1 plus 1. Clear? So the answer will be, it was in Brazil in the year 2019, and it was chaired by the Brazilian President Bolsonaro. When was the 11th conference? When and where? When and where was the 11th conference? I am repeating the question. When and where was the 11th conference of BRICS held? Question mark. Who was the head of this conference? Okay, as I have given you the question, marks pattern will be 1 plus 1 plus 1. Next one. Right. Write a short note. Write a short note on the emergence of Russia as a world power after the disintegration of the Cold War, after the disintegration of USSR, or the end of Cold War, anything can do, or the end of Cold War. It can be a 4 marks question, and this answer I have discussed yesterday itself, And I have told all of you that the PDF which has been given in the official website of the school, you have to download them, because these are the parts because of the random change in your political science syllabus this time. And the books which you are following, it is a much older edition. So many parts are there which you are not going to get it. So you need to download this PDF. Clear? Okay. Yes, how many marks will this question? I told you. Oh my God. Jivanangshu, where are you, my dear? This question, I told you, it has been, Bharat has asked me this question. I repeated this question so many times. This question is consisting of 3 parts. When and where. Oh, sorry. How many marks will carry this question? When 1 marks, 1 marks. BRICS was founded, 1 marks, but I told you for your safety, you will have to write it both the dates. That is when BRIC was found, BRIC 2006, and in 2009 when South Africa joined it, it became BRICS. Both of them you have to write for your benefit. Got it? Okay, thank you. You will have your next class, history now.